Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Hamid Khan. This video continuation of my earlier video where I spoke about AI tools sector wise, where I covered marketing AI tools and finance AI tools. In this video, I will be covering remaining AI tools, which will be healthcare sector AI tools, manufacturing, customer support, agriculture, and many more AI tools. As healthcare sector advancing in AI technology, I have listed down few of them topmost AI tools for healthcare industry. When it comes to healthcare industry, AI technology transforming healthcare industry by providing innovative services as well as smoothly clinical processes. When it comes to AI tools for healthcare, AI Doc is one of the radiology platform that helps doctor to identifying critical diagnosis conditions, medical conditions. And the next one is Butterfly IQ, which is AI powered ultrasound body imaging services that will connect your smartphones or devices, which will also help doctors to identifying any medical conditions as a preemptive measures. The next one is AI pathology, which is a pathology AI powered pathology tool. This will help doctors to identifying any cancer elements to the patients or any medical critical conditions. Apart from this, we have C2AI, AI powered tool for healthcare, which is able to identify surgery related risks. We call it as a surgical outcomes. And the next one is BioMind, which is a topmost AI tool, is able to identify brain related sickness as early. These tools are helping and advancing nowadays healthcare industries. AI tools for manufacturing. Nowadays, manufacturing industries are the topmost adopting the AI technology, which is helping manufacturing industries in operational efficiency as well as launching a new products. For manufacturing AI tool, Rockwell Automation Analytical AI tool is a best AI tool for decision making from various sources within manufacturing environment including machines, sensors and enterprise systems. The next one AI tool for manufacturing is AWS Industrial Solution, which is based on Amazon Lookout for equipment standard for predictive maintenance capabilities as well as quality control. And also we have ABB AI tool, which is helping industrial analytics and also gives a real-time information or insight into operational process and procedures. Lastly, we have IBM AI tool for manufacturing industry, which is offering digital twin technology, creating virtual replicas as well as production information and many more. When you sell a product, that product needs a services as well. That service is also called a customer support. When a customer satisfaction is so high, then your product growth also will be so high and as well as revenue generation. These AI tools are also helping in customer support as well. These AI tools are which is very similar to marketing AI tools. Let's see what are those AI tools for customer support. Communicate is a AI powered customer support platform that helps customer interaction across email, chat and voice. The next AI tool for customer support is Zendesk, which is offering comprehensive suite of features that help manage customer support and their inquiries very efficiently. Mailchimp AI tool for email marketing services. Zendesk AI tool, which is also gives you customer support tool for businesses for all types of all scale and types. Lastly, ADA is a conversational AI platform that helps customer support team create and manage chatbots that can handle complex and personalized interactions. As AI technology is advancing in customer support, which is helping businesses streamlining their customer support with quickly assisting customers as well as very good personalized interaction through chatbots. When it comes to agriculture, AI technology transforming agriculture sector as well, which is helping in crop and soil monitoring, disease detection, and intellectual farming, as well as spraying and weeding, and many areas also helping agriculture sector by AI. Crop in one of the AI powered solution for crop monitoring, yield predictions as well as farm management. Plantix AI based AI tool which identifying for agriculture mainly for plant diseases, identifying in plant diseases, pests as well as identifying nutrient deficiency using smartphones. And also weed AI tool helps to identifying weeds in crop using AI algorithms. For irrigation systems, we have smart irrigation AI powered tool that gives you soil, moisture and climate conditions. Farm Board, which is an AI open source farming robot that uses AI for precision agriculture. Lastly, MetaBot AI tool that helps by AI providing weather forecasting and field specific recommendations. AI farming system or AI tool for agriculture sector helping farmers with accurate forecasts and recommendations on the best time to plant and harvest the crop. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about AI technology, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media pages. If you are new to my channel, please watch my earlier videos as well. I have provided the link in the description box.